Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is Hooke's law. Extension is proportional to force up to a point. By the end of this, you'll know the formula, the spring constant, and what happens when you stretch a spring too far. Hooke's law. The extension of a spring is directly proportional to the force applied, provided the elastic limit is not exceeded. So F equals K times E, where K is the spring constant in newtons per meter and E is the extension. Force extension graph is a straight line through the origin. Three things. 1. The spring constant K is the gradient of the force extension graph. Higher K means a stiffer spring. 2. Beyond the elastic limit, the line curves. The spring deforms permanently. 3. Hooke's law works for many springs, but not all materials. Common slip. Using the spring's total length instead of the extension. The extension is how much it's stretched from its natural length, not the total stretched length. Quick example. A spring with K equals 50 Newton per meter has 5 newtons applied. The extension equals F divided by K equals 5 divided by 50, which equals 0.1 meters or 10 centimeters. Doubling the force doubles the extension. That's Hooke's law in action. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks now across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.